In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix real-time protection not turning on in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if real-time protection refuses to stay on in Windows 11, it's usually because the system thinks a third-party antivirus is still running or a group policy has a locked setting. So, firstly, you want to do the leftover antivirus clean. So if you've recently uninstalled McAfee, Norton, or Avast, ghost files often stay in the registry, tricking Windows into disabling Defender to avoid a conflict. So what we want to do is check for residuals. Make sure you go over to your apps, so we can just type in uninstall like so, or add or remove, and then just look in here for any applications, any antivirus that you might have. If you find anything like McAfee or anything like that, go ahead and uninstall it. Now, what you want to go ahead and do next is type in I'm just going to also clean the registry. So go ahead and press Windows and R. It's going to show this little thing, and then type in regedit like so. Then go ahead and press OK. It's going to open up the registry editor like so. Now what we want to do is navigate to HKey local machine, and then which is going to be right here. Once you're in HKey local machine, go over to software. Then within software, go ahead and locate Microsoft. So Microsoft for me is right here. Go ahead and click inside it, and then go over to Security Center. Thankfully, everything is already in alphabetical order. Security Center is right here, and then within that, go over to Provider, and then within that, go over to AV, and basically, once you find it, if you see any folder here that isn't Windows Defender, what you got to go ahead and do is delete it. So this is not Windows Defender. You want to go ahead and delete this. And if you basically get an error, then just restart your PC and try it again, and then that should definitely help as well. And sometimes a Windows update or a debloat script accidentally disables Defender. So what we want to do is press Windows R again, and then type in gpedit.msc, and then go ahead and press OK, and then navigate to computer configuration. So I'm just gonna enlarge this for a second. Once you're in computer configuration, like so, go to administrative templates, and then within administrative templates, go to Windows components, and then within Windows components, go over to Microsoft Defender antivirus. So mine is right here. And then basically on the right, find turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus, which mine is right here. Mine's currently set to no. So double click it, and if it's currently set to on, double click it and set it to disabled like so, or not configured. And do the same for real-time protection in the folder of the same name. Click apply and then restart, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.